Here's how to convert JPEG to HEIF. HEIF is that Apple high quality compressed image format. Now, a lot of times you're going from HEIC or HEIF to JPEG, which you can do with ConvertSave, this app that I created, but you can also go back the other way if you want to. So if I got a couple JPEG files, just drag and drop into ConvertSave, and then I go to select output. I'll scroll down a little bit and find my HEIF, and I can convert, and it saves right next to where those files came from. That's ConvertSave. I worked on this with my brother, who's a software developer, and we created this app that basically does file conversions offline. So you don't have to go to any weird sketchy websites or upload files anywhere. All these happen on your desktop. You can turn your Wi-Fi off if you want to. It converts images, video, and audio, and it works on Windows and Mac. And I tried to make it as simple as possible. You drag and drop files in if you want to. You can also browse for files, but then you just select your output and you hit convert, and it's going to convert to whatever that output is. In this case, we're going from JPEG to HEIF, but you could be going the other way, or you could be creating a multi-page PDF, or maybe you're trying to convert video to MP3. It can do all of that. That's ConvertSave. Go to convertsave.com to check it out. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. There's a link in the description, and I'll pin a comment down there as well where you can check it out. But ConvertSave, it's that simple. It just converts, and then it saves you time. So I hope that was kind of corny. I hope you guys enjoy the utility and find value in it. And I appreciate your support. I'll see you guys in the next one.